Hope everyone had a great trading day today. We do have good news. We are finding support on these indexes. All right. So we're nowhere near buy signals yet, but we are finding some support. So sell for right now. We don't have any selling. Okay. That could change, but for right now, we are finding support. So let's take a look here. All right, so on our monster market tracker system here, guys, we found support on the S&P. So we found support here on the S&P. So that's good news. All right, we've got a couple of white candles here. So yesterday, right, closed on a white candle. All right, so that's good. We could see sellers come back in. All right, but the markets were flat today. So that's encouraging, right? Hey, Solomon, welcome, welcome. All right, so the Dow was flat, up but flat. All right, so was that little, 4 points up. S&P was up, Nasdaq was up, and the IWM, the Russell, was down by just a little bit. But the good news is that we found in support here on the S&P. Okay, let's go here. All right, on the NASDAQ, we found support here. All right, so found support here on the NASDAQ. So that's encouraging, guys. On the Dow, we found support right here on the Dow. And even on the Russell, we found support here. So for right now, the market, equity market has stabilized for now. Again, we could always see sellers come back in, just like they did here, right? Right, white candle, right? Sellers came back in. We'll keep an eye on that. But for right now, we found support, and we'll see what happens tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay. VIX is down, so came down from 19. So the VIX is at 17. So VIX is coming down. Okay, that's good. No big change yet in the sectors. Sectors are still down here. Okay, so no big change there. All right, so VIX is coming down. No big change as far as the indexes yet, right in here. Okay, but we found support. Okay, we found support. So we'll take that for now. No buying though. No big buying. Not a lot of change in Heat Seeker for Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Okay, so don't run out there and start buying this market yet. Okay, so just be aware of that. Hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony, welcome. Okay, but again, the good news, finding support on the S&P, finding support on the NASDAQ, finding support on the Dow, finding support on the Russell, and then the VIX is coming down a bit here. In the futures market, right, we're up, right, slightly up. The futures market, dollar index is down. The dollar is also finding support. We'll have to move this. Let's move this right here for now, right, closer to that. So, right, support here, here, resistance here, support here on the dollar. So the dollar might find support right here. Again, too early to tell, guys, okay? But we can tell price is held, right? Price held down here, still in the markdown phase, okay? So again, sellers could always come back in and move the price lower. So just be aware of that, okay? So can't go short or can't go long in a big way, okay? All right, so continue to trade lightly. The sectors still down, a couple of mix here. Gold is still holding firm. All right, so basic material stocks, we're still accumulating those. All right, we had one stock. I don't know if you guys took advantage of it. NAK made a big move. All right, basic material stocks. We'll take a look at that. All right. Let's take a look at big picture, and then I want to show you guys what's going on with the Mag 7. So the Magnificent 7 stocks are also finding support. Okay. All righty. All right. Big picture, Dow on the daily time frame. Again, we found support here. All right, we'll go ahead and bring in our resistance lines now, our trend line. All right, so we found support here. All right, made a V here. Let's do this. It might be too early to do this, but let's see here. Let's see if we can bring in a V here. Let's just see here. All right, so we are hoping that this might be the bottom here, right? That tip down there might be the low. We'll find out. All right, so let's try this now. Okay, so just like here, made a low, kept going higher, made a low, especially here, made a low here, right? Then kept going higher, made a low here, made a low here. All right, so here's your V here, here, and here. Let's hope we get the same thing here. All right, so we'll do this on the Dow, on the daily. All right, and then all we need now, all right, so middle low here, keeps moving higher here. All right, and let's see if we continue to move higher, recapture the moving average right here, the green moving average, get a green candle. All right, start building some momentum. Buyers in here, some green candles. Okay, similar to what happened here. All right, similar to what happened here. Yeah, all right, easier to see it this way. All right, so middle low here, mark down, mark up. All right, so hopefully we'll get another move like this. All right, and then break out. So you see here, white candles here. All right, white candles here, almost identical, right? White candles here. We'll bring in that support line here. All right, so we're looking for another move like this, green candles, and then finally break out. And our buy signal could come in almost identical to here. So somewhere in here, if it happens, if it fails, it's going to break that support and move lower, right? And then none of this matters. All right, so we'll look for a buy signal somewhere up in this area here and then move higher. So encouraging, very encouraging for the Dow. Okay, Dow weekly, we still have a sell signal here. Price is moving a bit higher here. Okay, if we break through, if we get up in this area here, break through this resistance and move higher, that would be crazy, right? That would be, talk about a strong market, right? Talk about a strong market. So Dow weekly holding, sell signal. So sell signal on the Dow weekly. Also, this can happen, right? Sell signal, white candles came in just like it's doing right here. All right, so we need to flip that hat, right? Be able to flip back and forth quickly. All right, so white candles came in here just like white candles came in here. All right, 3 days of buying here, white candles, and then look what happened. Sellers came in just like here. So just be ready, all right, to change your opinion based on the price action. Dow monthly, I hold in for now. S&P, all right, S&P on the daily time frame, same thing here. Made a low, moving up. Need to recapture that moving average there. We'll move this. All right, S&P on the weekly time frame, sell signal. All right, just hold in there for now. S&P monthly, hold in. NASDAQ, don't have any white candles yet on the NASDAQ. No, the NASDAQ really sold off. Okay, so we have support here. Let's remove this. All right, and let's see what it does. We have midway in the range. We have near-term resistance, right about here. Okay. All right, NASDAQ weekly, again, sell signals, no white candles there. Well, we do have one white candle right here. Hard to see there. One white candle there. All right. Again, we could see this happen. White candles. Sellers came back in heavy. White candles here. Some buying. Sellers came in heavy. Okay. So, all right. Just be aware of that. Nasdaq on the monthly time frame holding for now. Russell small caps really took a hit there. All right. Took a beating there. On the daily, and we are at trading within a nice range here. Resistance, support, holding support. If we start seeing some white candles here, do we have resistance here? I guess, yeah, right about here is resistance. But if we get white candles, same thing here. We could see where it makes a V and start moving higher, just like it did here, just like it did here. All right, so just like it did here. All right, so went right to its target, right here, support here. Okay, that's Russell small caps on the daily time frame, weekly time frame here. All right, so sold, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Again, almost identical, directly here. Amazing. All right, and red candles there. Monthly, all right, a bit of a pullback, a move higher here on the Russell on the monthly, right? Here's that, right? That week right here, and just held pretty good. We'll see what that does on the monthly. Bitcoin is just consolidating right here, guys, right at that resistance here at 87. So hasn't done much for the week so far. We can actually do this on Bitcoin. Looks like the market wants to hold and move higher, especially with the VIX coming down. You guys know the VIX made a high all the way up to about 31, and now it's at 17. So volatility has been coming down, and all right, so let's see what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin can get above this resistance here, get somewhere in this area here, start looking to test that resistance here. We're a long way from there, right? But Bitcoin will move quickly. All right, we could see where things can move again. Okay, but this very encouraging. Bitcoin held support. All right. Hey, Antonio, welcome, Antonio, welcome, buddy. All right, at 77, right here, 77, 78, held support, and important area here for Bitcoin on the weekly, guys. We could really see we're making higher lows here. All right, we could see Bitcoin make a move higher, and that should help your other cryptocurrencies. Okay, if Bitcoin moves higher. Gold is still holding its buy signal at 30,000 and I'm sorry, not 30, 3,000 and change. Buy signal here, good price action, holding nicely. Silver, right, holding also. We've moved the high to right here. Okay, silver a bit choppy, not as smooth as gold, right here, but silver is wants to break out. Okay, crude oil, no change here. You guys know. Right, safe space here for crude, trading between 60 and 80. All right, so nothing here. All right, on crude. Bonds, oh, that's not good. All right, so the TLT for bonds, near support here. All right, so we might get a sell signal. That's not good. That will mean interest rates will move higher again. Okay, but we have purpose support and resistance. Buy signal here, and we're right at that support. Okay, we really need that price to move higher. That is not good. Okay, that's not good. We did the last time we got a buy signal in that same area here, right in here. We did get a sell signal, and then price move higher. So and then you see purpose support and resistance almost identical here. So just be aware of that. The dollar just holding here. Again, we have support right about here is support. on the daily. So be flexible, be nimble, in and out, get what you need, right? Get your trade in and out. Be careful doing any major position trading on the daily time frames, okay? All right, be careful with those. On the weekly time frame, on the dollar, we have a sell signal. Support is right here, which is $100. Big mark, big support here on the dollar. All right, nowhere near support yet. Monthly here, pull back here, trading within the range there. And then the yen pairs, pound yen, all right, pound yen finally making a move higher again. We do have near-term resistance right here. We send out some alerts in the school community, right? Our school community. For the yen pairs long, but I think those close today. So don't give up on those yet. We could get another move to go long again. All right. So buy signal here, holding on the daily time frame here. All right. Price is being squeezed. We're making higher lows here. Here is our resistance. This is really setting up for a breakout. Okay. Here's your triangle here. Price is being squeezed. We could see a move higher here in pound yen to this resistance right up here. So don't give up on pound yen yet. It's finally moving. All right. And that will help the yen pairs there. Okay. All right. The Mag 7. So the Magnificent 7 stocks, right, much like the indexes, are finding support. Okay. So let's go through those. Very encouraging. This is very, very encouraging for equities. Okay. All right. So Tesla, we'll start with Tesla, guys. Tesla found support here. All right. Tesla found support. We did do a short a video. Send it out to you guys on Tesla on the 30-minute time frame. Right. We got a buy signal. We did send that out right here. So buy signal. We did a video on it. All right, with a buy signal here, I think we called it right about in here before it gapped up here on the 30-minute. So great trade going there. If you guys, if any of you took it, good job. All right, so buy signal was at 240. I think we called it 243. All right, trading at 288. So great trade on the 30 minutes, still holding there on Tesla. All right, just a quick trade there on Tesla, but still holding on the 30-minute. So you guys want to move it to the 60-minute. Let's see here. 60-minute right here. Buy signal here. Target would be up there, but I like it on the 30-minute. 30-minute looks really good there. And again, things can happen, so you need to get out. You can get out quickly here. But good trade going here. Good trade going. Okay. It's on Tesla. And we'll continue to really track Tesla, trade it, right, on the smaller time frames. It just moves really good. Just moves really good. All right, so Tesla here on the daily time frame found support. That's a big deal. White candles coming in here. White candle here. All right, getting close to breaking through that moving average. We have resistance here. Here was the previous buy signal. If we get a buy signal, that signal will come in a bit higher, perhaps somewhere up in this area right in here. Okay, but very encouraging for Tesla. The big news again is that it found support. That's a big deal. Found support down here. Google, let's take a look here. Also found support. Let's bring this up here, right about in here. Found support, red candles here. Okay, let's move this here. All right, no white candles yet, but found support. Pay attention. Just like we pay attention to those resistance areas, like here and here, we've got to pay close attention to support areas here, allowing us to get in, guys. Get in, all right, before the price gets all the way up here, okay? All right, so let's pay attention to that. Apple, same thing here. Found support here, here, here we are. Okay, resistance is here. Let's see what it does. Rest of the week. Meta, Facebook, same thing. Found support here. All right, we don't have a lot of resistance here. We just have a high. All right, but found support. Found support here. Resistance will be here. And it is right near that resistance level here. All right. And that resistance coincides with the moving average, green moving average here. So if it can break through that area, and it's close to doing that, we could get a buy signal somewhere in here on Meta. Okay. And then up here is just a high. Microsoft here, again, found support. That's the theme, guys. Right? They're finding support. All right. So buyers are holding, right? Holding the price up. All right. So good support here, really good support here on Microsoft, right here, and right here. White candle coming in here, okay? We could also do a V here, right? Just like here, boom, boom, right? We could do the same thing here. All righty. And then NVIDIA held support also. All right. So support here, here, and here. And you know, believe it or not, NVIDIA is relatively close to its all-time highs, guys. All right. With all of that nonsense in here. All right. It's still near its all-time highs. Okay. All-time highs on NVIDIA, I think was what, 150? Yeah, 150. Did it ever get close above? Let's see here. Yeah, 150. It's at 120. All right, right here. So trading within its range, but they're holding it. All right. And believe it or not, they're probably accumulating right in here. All right. Reaccumulation right in here. Okay. All right. So that's good. Indexes are holding. All right. And the Mag 7s. They are holding firm. That is really, really good news. So the panic selling has, for right now, has stopped. Okay. All right. Current positions long in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. Let's go through those. All right. So ZAR Yen. All right, we have the buy signal right here, sell signal here, so close the trade. Again, with pound yen wanting to break out, we should get further buying, okay? Again, so don't give up on those, on the yen pairs quite yet. CAD yen 60-minute, CAD yen 60-minute buy signal here, sell signal here, again. Right, we could break through that the high right here and get another buy signal on the 60-minute. Okay, so CAD yen for right now, close the trade. All right, USD JPY, same thing. Buy signal here, sell signal here. Okay, close the trade. Dollar yen. All right, HKD, JPY, buy signal here, sell signal, red candle, sell signal. Okay, let's see here. Right now, we are a long way from getting another buy signal, but this is on the 60-minute, guys. All right, so if we can recapture that trend line here, all right, somewhere in this area here, we could get another buy signal. Right now, we'll close it. HKD, JPY. SGD, JPY, buy signal here, sell signal. Let's close that. Swiss yen, same thing. Buy signal here, sell signal. Again, trend line here, recapture the moving average, right? Break through that resistance here, we could get another buy signal. Swiss yen, close it for now. Euro yen, buy signal here, sell signal. We should be out. Pound yen, right? Pound yen. All right. So buy signal here, sell signal. We should be out if we're able to get past resistance up here. All right, right about here, and it is setting up nicely, even with a bit of choppiness there. All right, so if it holds that trend line, price gets in that triangle here, right? Perhaps form a cup and handle, right? In here, here's your cup, right? If it forms a handle here, break out, you might get a buy signal somewhere up in this area here. But for right now, let's close it. And for pound yen, that's not a bad trade if you were able to catch it. We added a few more Aussie, Swiss, buy signal here, holding for now. Aussie CAD totally failed, guys. So buy signal here, right? Red candles, close the trade, please. Aussie dollar, buy signal here, holding. A decent setup here. All right, target is here. New Zealand dollar. Keep an eye on New Zealand dollar. We needed to hold that support. Fairly decent markdown phase, but all right, it's right at support here. We need a green candle bad here. Okay. All right. The good news, it's just holding right in here, but we need buyers to come in. Nice big candle and have some follow through. Target would be up here. Okay. No shorts on the 60-minute. On the 240, we've got some longs. No shorts on the 240. Although the dollar index is moving lower, the pairs hasn't been trading well, short. All right, CAD yen. All right, so CAD yen, guys. All right, buy signal, markdown phase, buy signal, reaccumulation right here, and it's holding for now. CAD yen. It's making higher highs, higher lows. I always do that. Let's see here. All right, buy signal here, holding for now. CAD yen. Dollar yen, same thing. Buy signal here, holding. HKD Hong Kong, buy signal here. So these have pulled back a bit. All right, we saw that on the 60-minute, but holding buyers are coming in here on the 240. EURTRY. All right. Might as well close this, but we'll leave it for now. All right, that should close here. We normally don't trade this, but hey, not a bad trade though. All right, no shorts on the 240. Forex dominate on the daily time frame. Let's take a look. These have been holding up well. All righty. We have both long and shorts. I will start with long. On the daily time frame in Forex, dominator. All right, so EURTRY, buy signal here, that's holding. We'll go through this quickly. Euro New Zealand, buy signal here, holding. Euro HKD, buy signal here, bit of a pullback, holding. Euro dollar, buy signal here, holding. Euro SGD, right, buy signal here, hold on. Nice spike here. All right. Euro CAD, right? Buy signal here. Called it about right here. Holding. Pound New Zealand, holding. Pound HKD, right? Buy signal moving up nicely there. Okay. Anthony CAD yen on the 5 minute. Oh, all right. We'll take a look. CAD yen. You're right in it. Okay. So CAD yen on the 5 minute, huh, bud? All right. CAD yen 5 minute. All right. We'll take a look. All right. Pound HKD. Pound SGD. Holding. Pound dollar. Holding. So they're holding, guys. All right. Pound CAD. Holding. Pound Aussie, right? Holding. Pound yen. Buy signal here early, holding. And then euro yen, holding there. Okay. Shorts. Well, let's take CAD yen. I'm just curious now, Anthony. CAD yen. JPY. Hold on. Oh, hold on. All right, hold on. All right, CAD yen 5 minute. You've got me curious now. Okay, so CAD yen, CAD, JP. CAD, JPY. All right, CAD yen 5 minutes. Let's see here. See what you've got there. All right. All right, good setup there. So you've got your V here marked down. So same thing, guys. Notice what he's doing here, right? So here's your mark down. Even on the smaller time frames, right? We can mark up. All right, first trade did well right here, and reaccumulation, buy signal here, and then just know, Anthony, you've got some resistance right here. So above, you've got some resistance here. All right, so you have some resistance here, a lot of resistance here. Here you are right now, so be aware of that. And then further resistance up here. But you know what you're doing. So I trust you know what you're doing here. Okay. All right. And I don't think there's data coming out this evening. So 3 a.m. there'll be data in the Euro session. Okay. All right. Short positions. All right. Good job there, bud. Short positions in Forex dominator on the daily. We're doing good. We're doing good on time. All right, USD PLN. All right, so short here, still holding. USD SEK, so short here, still holding, finding support. So be aware of that. USD HUF, still holding it short. Aussie yen, right here. CAD yen, closed. Let's close that CAD yen. SGD, all right. Lots of support here. Keep an eye on that. Dollar yen, All right, we need sellers to come on back down. HKD, all right, same thing here. TRY, trading down nicely there. Those are the shorts in Forex Dominator. Let's take a look at equities. So Stock Boss, all right, so Stock Boss and Bullmaster. All right, the first one here, Stock Boss, guys, ASM. All right, ASM. That's reaccumulation trade, a buy signal here, holding firm for now. NAK, hopefully you guys got on this trade. All right, so that's a penny stock. All right, penny stock. Broke out here. Buy signal was here. We called it, I believe, when was it? Sunday evening we called it for Monday market open. All right, it gapped up here from 90 cents, trading at 119. All right, so still holding. We're looking for a further move. Now, if you guys take a look at this, and this is basic materials too, okay? On the monthly time, look at the monthly, guys. All right, so there's good risk reward here, good potential, okay? I mean, we don't know if it'll make it all the way back up here, but if it makes it up to this resistance here, which is about 288, all right, that's a good move. Further resistance here, like $6. All right, came from $20. Good trade here, and that is basic material. I'll say so. We called it right on that, right prior to the gap up right here. That's a good trade going there. Okay. In Stock Boss. Next one, NGD, that's holding, that's basic materials also. So our Stock Boss traders, keep an eye on basic materials. SID, basic materials, holding firm. And then TBG is breaking out. That's a basic material also. Okay, so notice here, all of these are basic materials. Let's draw this out. So our Stock Boss traders, I know the market's been soft, but watch the sector. Nice downward trend line here. All right. Here, and here we are breaking out here. Good support here. So TBG looks good. And TBG, most of these are very inexpensive. 252 for that. And then another basic material, right? What's that? YAM. Right? We're breaking resistance here. Got a buy signal right on that break of resistance. Right here. That's reaccumulation. But the important thing to notice is that basic materials, right? Metals, gold, silver, they're breaking out, okay? COMP Tech, that's holding firm for now. Those are in Stock Boss, so small caps, Russell. Bullmaster, let's take a look, and we do have basic material, guys. Look here, all of these right here, basic materials, okay? All right, so AU, buy signal here, holding firm. BVN, right, buy signal here, right, holding nicely there, basic material. Gold, GOLD, buy signal here, moving up nicely there. HMY, all right, buy signal here, and we getting out of that range. I know it looks bad. Not a very good looking chart there, but it wants to break out. And that is basic material. So hopefully it will move with the rest. All right, very choppy in here, but we are breaking out now. Okay, we're getting past this area here. MP, buy signal here, breaking out, reaccumulation trade there. And again, that's basic material there. Okay. SQM, buy signal here, pulling back, right? Just be aware of that, right? Pulling back a bit there. XPEV, that's consumer cyclical, buy signal here, white candle. Let's close that, okay? It's not in the sector and they're pulling back a bit there. NFG, that's energy, buy signal here, that's holding for now. BABA, right, buy signal here, holding. Purpose support and resistance, keep an eye on it, okay? Our US 30 traders, good job, Solomon. Solomon had a good trade. The US 30 yesterday, good job. Trading that. And we're hoping for some good trades on Friday when we go live. Our US 30. Let's see what the US 30 is doing. Okay, so we know, hold on. We know the indexes are finding support. Okay, so the US 30 also finding support here. Recaptured, right? It recaptured previous support, becomes resistance. So it's back in the box here, right? Look what happened the last time. All right, price there, right here, made a low here, moved higher, made a low here, moved higher. Here we are here. So we're looking for another move higher. On the 60-minute time frame, the buy signal closed, right? So we bought here, sold here. All right, we're looking for another move. All right, price is holding near resistance, all green candles. That's very encouraging. We're looking for another break above this resistance. Keep an eye, purpose support and resistance there. All right, just be aware of that. But we're looking for another move, break resistance, give another buy signal. If that happens, we'll send it out. Okay. In school, we are no longer texting those alerts, guys. So you have to check your school, right? Check your the community in school often so that you don't miss your alerts. Okay, so US 30 waiting for a buy signal there. Okay, let's see here. Stock boss. Let's run hit seeker here. 23. Let's see if we can find another basic material there. UYAM, we're already in that. COMM, no buy signal yet. TGB, all right, TGB. Okay, we've called that already. NAK, we know what's going on with NAK. So that's it for basic materials, okay? For tech and the other sectors, for right now, we'll hold off, okay? So healthcare, tech will hold off. Just basic material for now. Bull Master, let's take a look. So 23 in, so Bull Master is shaping up. All right, so guys, we're getting more in Bull Master here. So 53. All right, Bull Master, basic materials. Let's see, FCX. All right, so we'll call FCX, okay, in Bull Master, okay. Buyers are on the weekly. We have a green candle here, good markdown phase here, buy signal here, right? We're breaking out. So FCX in Bull Master. GEL, basic material. GEL, all right, that's gone. This is a great trade here, guys. We missed. Okay, GEL, that's been moving up nicely there. Big candles here on the weekly time frame. I think I noticed it right about in here. We probably should have called it, right? Right about it in here when I saw it, when it came up in Bull Master. Great trade going here. GEL. The last one, basic material for right now, EGO. EGO. We're not in this one, I don't believe. All right, so we're going to call it EGO, and that's basic material. EGO. EGO in Bullmaster. Now, so far, basic materials, as far as metals, has been moving with the indexes. So, if stocks continue to move higher, indexes continue to move higher. Not stocks, indexes. We could see where basic materials still continue to move higher. Okay. So we're not expecting if the market starts to move higher. We don't anticipate basic material slowing down. Okay, so good buy signal here and a break of resistance here. Buyers here, good big green candle here on the week. All right, so EGO, and that's it for basic materials. The rest of the sectors will hold up for now. So FCX in Bullmaster and EGO in Bullmaster. All right. I don't think we've got anything in Monster Scalper, but I want to show you guys. We don't have any leaders right now. So things are mixed on the 60-minute. All right. We do have, I guess we do have some leaders here. On the 60-minute, the Euro pairs. All right. So, yeah, Euro pound short. Right, Euro Aussie short here. Euro CZK short. Euro CAD short here. That might not be a bad short here to take. Euro PLN. So the Euro pairs are leading. Short in Monster Scalper, okay? But we didn't call these. All right, so that's what's leading right now. On the 240, let's see what's leading here. Always check the leaders here. Euro CAD. All right, so the Euro pairs. All right, so let's do this. So EuroCAD, we'll call EuroCAD, EURCAD, short, all right, on the 240. All right, so short here. It's gone down a bit, but it looks like it wants to break support here. Right, next target is all the way down here. So this might be a decent trade here. So EUR, EuroCAD, short. Let's do it up here. Euro dollar, EUR USD, short, 240. Euro SGD, EUR SGD, short, 240. And we'll send these out. All right, not a bad setup. Look at this. All right, so short here and a break of support here. Look here. Sellers are coming in, breaking that support line. Purpose support, not bad. Further support your target all the way down here, guys. Not bad. All right, our job is to find the setups, right? We let the market do the rest. EURSEK. Short, 240. EUR HKD. Short, 240. EUR, GBP, GBP, short. Just find your spot. EUR, CHF. Alrighty. So we might be seeing a turn, somewhat of a rotation. EUR CAD, EUR CAD, short, 240 there. Okay. And they've run up, guys. They've gone up pretty much quite a bit there. Okay. So they're due for, remember, mark up, distribution, mark down. No sell short signal yet on this one here. Another quick look on the 60 with the euro pairs. And then we'll be done. Hold on. So choppy on the 60. This one is not bad. But yellow support and resistance, guys. That's the concern there. And it is low in the markdown phase. See there? Oh, well, I guess not. All right, good one here. Euro, Aussie, but that's gone. That looks good there. All right, that's it. All right, so euro short on the 240, and then bull master, we've got the 2 there. Okay, so we'll see what the market does, right? So finding support, which is good, right? So we're finding support on the indexes, finding support on the Mag 7s, right? That looks good. Okay, so just be aware of that. VIX is coming down. Okay, so our stock boss traders, bull master traders, keep an eye on basic materials. If you guys look here, right, we're getting more and more basic materials. See right here, right? All right, so I mean that's good. They're coming in and they're holding, right? They're holding. We haven't had to close any of them, so they're holding. So keep an eye on that. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see everyone tomorrow for Q&A, and then live. We'll do live again on Thursday. Okay. Take care, guys. Have a good evening, and we'll send out these alerts. Take care. Bye bye.